I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by joining the specific VIP server and confirming your role. This gives the permissions you need. Once in, open the developer console to monitor outputs and make sure the in-game chat accepts commands. You should also check that any required admin script is loaded. If not, inject or enable it now. This step is the foundation. Without proper access, commands will fail. Once done, proceed to send the first safe command to test connectivity and response. Now you execute core Arsenal commands using the correct admin prefix. Type the prefix followed by the command. Start with non-destructive tests. Teleport, respawn, or give a weapon to verify syntax and permission. Once those work, escalate to chained commands and custom arguments, remembering to pause between commands so the server registers each action. Make adjustments if a command returns an error message. If multiple players are affected, warn them first to avoid confusion or accidental kicks. Finish by confirming that the changes you made stick. Save any server-side settings and jot down the working command list. If a command fails, inspect the console logs for specific errors, verify your admin privileges, and ensure the admin script is active. These are common causes. If problems persist, restart the VIP server or rejoin, then reapply only essential commands to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see permission denied, recheck role assignment immediately and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.